Today we're reviewing a wired keyboard, PC4121A. We're going to unbox, show you what's inside the box, and how it's presented. Laptops, computers that need a keyboard, or you want a different type of workstation, this keyboard may be something that you are looking for. It comes in a plastic wrapping, nice large keyboard with an instruction guide, a wired USB-A cable, about 4 feet of length, plugs into the USB-A port correctly, and lights up. If we type in letters, there is no setting up at all. We are ready to go just like that. With the lights dimmed down in default, you see the keyboard is breathing in and out. We have multi-colors going straight across, breathing in and out. Going over some of the features and functions of the keyboard, holding 2 keys down, the Fn, the print screen key, turn the lights off. Fn, print screen key, turns the lights back on to the breathing mode. Hit the Fn key and the screen lock. You have a different color key in a locked color. The Fn key and the scroll lock again. And you hit the keys. They light up as you type of all colors. The Fn and screen lock key again. And you have the breathing. Simply repeat back and forth of those different types of keys. To adjust the brightness levels of 8 increments up or down, the Fn and the up and down. To adjust the different types of breathing speeds, the Fn, left and right, over here. So we increase to the maximum brightness, which is default. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, a decrease in the brightness levels of your keys. Let's go to the breathing and increase the speed. And let's decrease the speed. If we increase to the maximum and we hit the screen lock so that the keys in the off as we type, they go on a little faster, and we could slow it down and they stay lit a lot longer. The keyboard, each key has 10 million times of use, wear and tear. It takes under 3 seconds to connect to a computer USB-A port. As you can hear, typing with the keys. They are pretty quiet. If you listen to music, it has media controls. If you like to do numerics, it has a separate numeric area. It is a keyboard. On the bottom of the keyboard, they have little feet over here and here that are adjustable in angle. They have little rubber tabs and 2 little light areas. And they're for ergonomic typing. As you can see the typing on the thing, I hope this is a keyboard that you are looking for, a wired keyboard for your gaming needs, your computer needs in a low light situation that gives you an RGB color. Enjoy your keyboard if this is right for you.